That's good left. Oh my god. Alright, second one right here. And 3, 2, 1, go. It's a little cold. Oh, delicious. 2 liters. Mountain Dew literally has like a billion flavors. I can't even name them right now. Stop boot down. Delicious. Alright guys, today we are back with another Das Boot chug. Time. That, my friend, is a lot of cider right there. One down. Delicious. 2-liter bottle of Crush. We're about to crush this. Delicious. Holy. And it's literally about to go everywhere. Oh my god. So carbonated. Done. Okay, with a 2-liter bottle of ginger ale, Schweppes, whatever this says right here. Man,